Hi, and welcome back to the Biomechanics of the Musculoskeletal System course. I'm Dan Bassett, and in this unit, we are going to be shifting gears a bit. We spent several units discussing clinical biomechanics, specifically gait and the parameters that you might be interested in looking at, and ways to identify other parameters that maybe we didn't discuss, but we gave you the tools to be able to understand how to apply them. Now we're shifting our focus to sports performance. Obviously, sports performance is a huge field and extremely varied, so it would be impossible for us to be able to pinpoint all the different aspects of biomechanics in sports. So what we've chosen to do instead is to show you some tools that you might be able to apply across multiple disciplines. As you know, in the first unit of this course, we had Jason come in here and perform a jumping motion that we are now going to pick back up to look at sports performance of his jumping motion. Now, we know that that's not exactly everything that would be entailed in a true jumping analysis, but we're going to focus on a few aspects to give you some ideas on how to approach this actually fairly large topic. Now, if you are coming from the sports performance field, keep in mind that traditionally sports biomechanics tends to be a little bit lighter on the scientific accuracy with more of a focus of quick delivery. So in this unit, we are going to talk a little bit about that, how to get results out a little bit faster, maybe even while the athlete is still right there with you with the markers on, so that maybe you can tweak things and give them quick feedback, and they can adjust their motion to then see how close they get to the objective. In the next unit, we're going to look at the same data, but deal with some of the issues that often come up in a biomechanical sport analysis. For example, disappearing markers, as sports motions often cover up various markers during the motion, just because of the nature of what the athlete is doing, and therefore we're going to focus on that aspect in the next unit. But right now, in the next several chapters, our focus is going to be on getting results out quickly, even if you haven't already built a pipeline per se.